Racist property restrictions still exist in legal documents, and right now there are local efforts to get rid of them for free. KREM 2's Amanda Rowley joining us live in the studio tonight to explain how. Amanda?
Racially restrictive covenants are a historically used tactic to keep minority groups out of specific neighborhoods. That language still exists in some Spokane property titles. A local title and escrow company is now offering to help property buyers get rid of them for free.
A 1948 U.S. Supreme Court ruling made racially restrictive covenants illegal. While this means they're no longer enforceable, the language remains intact on some property titles. In 2018, Washington State revised the law to give property owners the right to declare the restrictions as void. They can do this by filing a restrictive covenant modification document.
We're improving Spokane one property at a time.
It's a process Vista Title and Escrow is helping property buyers navigate for free, something CEO Anthony Carollo is proud to be a part of.
We're taking the opportunity to help the buyer declare these void and just take that stand to fix a past wrong. I think it's huge.
To be clear, Carollo says the company can only offer this service to those in the process of buying a property.
Our title officers are already examining the title. And they have an opportunity to find it. They can flag it in the file. We can send the home buyer a notice, and we can say, if you want to correct this, we'll prepare the document.
Now, state law says the modification document legally strikes, but does not physically erase the void and illegal discriminatory provisions from the original document.
I see this as an opportunity for us to make this piece of property better.
Now, we want to bring you more to every story, so let's take a look at where these racially restrictive covenants exist. Now, Carollo pointed me to this map of Spokane posted online based on community research, and it highlights areas where racially restrictive language exists in their property titles. Now, we can see it shows a high concentration here in the Shadle neighborhood, but we also found some scattered across Hilliard and Spokane's South Hill. Now, you can determine if a restrictive covenant is associated with your property by visiting the Spokane County website. It says first check with land title records with the county auditor's office, which are free to view, but there are fees if you want to get copies. Now, another source is your owner's title insurance policy, which is usually issued upon the purchase of the property. Then the auditor's website walks you through the steps and information you need to record a restrictive covenant modification document. Now, the process of recording this modification document is completely free through the county auditor's office. We'll share a link to the Spokane map and the county instructions on KREM.com. Amanda Rowley, KREM 2.